What's up, guys? It's Isaac Data here, and this is my 2017 bike check. So I'm gonna first start off with my handlebars up top. I'm rocking the S&M FU bars or FU bars, whichever one you prefer. Then I'm rocking the Colt Vans grips, really comfortable grips. I love them. Then I'm down here with the Kinkbolt TLD stem, and then I'm rocking the Sub Rosa pinch bolt. I'm also rocking the verde neyer 2016 bike pro model. I have Rant 4.5 inch pegs. I also got the Rant hub guard, Rant hub. The whole rim is Rant. Rocking the Demolition tires. Then if you come over to the middle of the bike, I'm rocking the Shadow Conspiracy pedals. I also got my Rant cranks, but I'm getting a new pair pretty soon. I got a pair of Bone Deaths at the house, and I'll put those on pretty soon. I'm rocking my 410 KMC chain, heavy duty. That's a must, very must, needed. I'm rocking my United Fat Pivotal seat, very comfortable, good reviews on that from me. I'm also rocking a very ugly painted animal seat post, and then in the back, my whole rim is Rant rim. It's like one of the Sub Rosa like complete bike rims. I'm also rocking the Demolition tires back here too, with the 4.5 Sub Rosa pegs. And up here, where my headset is, that's a Sub Rosa headset. It's pretty good. Yeah.
My boy.
Alright, yo, that was my 2017 bike edit and a couple clips. Alright, thanks for watching, and thanks for filming, bro. Alright, peace. Subscribe, like, comment.